Welcome to Painless Maths. Today's unit is on positive and negative numbers. This unit is not difficult at all, but it's a very important unit as it is the basis of all your high school maths. So, please make sure you fully understand all of it. Okay, let's start. So, what are positive and negative numbers? It's simple. A number greater than 0 is called a positive number, and a number less than 0 is called a negative number. You'll find that there are many different names for numbers that we use in maths. So, let me explain to you two most common ones. The first one is integers. You might have come across it already. An integer is a whole number, which means it is not a fraction nor a decimal. It can be a positive number, a negative number, or the number 0. But, it is not a fraction or a decimal. This is very important. Again, integers can be positive, negative, or 0. But, it cannot be fraction or decimal. Let me give you 3 seconds to memorize this. Okay, let's move on. Next is natural numbers. They are simply exactly the same as positive integers, like 1, 2, 3, etc. Remember, only positive ones. Also, note that 0 is not a natural number. So, these are the key points for this unit. Let's do some exercises to see if you understand them. Please go to the right-hand side of the screen. I will give you a few seconds to read the questions. If you think you can answer them yourself, feel free to stop this video and try it yourself first. Otherwise, let's look at them together. Up the top, a list of numbers is given. What you need to do is to categorize them into the 6 categories below. Number 1. Positive numbers are the ones that have a plus sign. Note that the numbers without a plus sign is also positive. So, the answer is plus 8, plus 2/5, 21, 0. Note that 0 is not positive or negative, so we skip this. 3/8 and plus 9.5. Number 2. Negative numbers. You can choose all those with a minus sign, so the answer is minus 10, minus 3, minus 0.8, and minus 4. Number 3. Integers. Do you remember what integers are? Yes, integers are whole numbers. In short, something that is not a fraction nor a decimal. So, the answer is plus 8, minus 10, 21, 0. Note that 0 is an integer. Minus 3, and minus 4. Number 4. Positive integers. So, from the list of integers up here, we just choose the positive ones. So the answer is plus 8 and 21. Again, 0 is neither positive nor negative, so be careful. Number 5. Negative integers. Just choose the ones that has a minus sign from the integers list. So, the answer is minus 10, minus 3, and minus 4. Last one, number 6. Natural numbers. Do you remember what they are? Yes. They are same as positive integers. Here, just copy the answer from number 4. So, it is plus 8 and 21. How was it? Easy? Excellent. So, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we will talk about addition and subtraction of positive and negative numbers. Please make sure to watch that too. Also, if you like this video, please give us a like. And subscribe our channel for the easiest math tutorials on the planet. Bye for now.